Hello!
Hello there! Well, we're nice and cosy in here, aren't we?
We are.
And it's cold out there. This month in the February issue, we've been looking at plastic greenhouses. And this is a walk-in grow arc from 2 Weston Elliott.
And it's a good size. It's the
yes.
biggest one we've been looking at.
And it's on a February day. It's lovely and warm. Shall we step outside?
Step outside.
Quite easy to put together. You've got these little connectors, good diagram, and you know, probably take you about 20 minutes or so, but slots together really easily.
The nice thing about this one is, I mean, you can get some of these ones, the smaller ones, where literally you can't walk in and you've just got the shelves this way.
Yeah.
But the shelves are to the sides, so it's quite nice, I think, that you can walk in and
It gives you a bit of space to.
Space.
And it's got different options. Obviously, you've got your shelves for seed trays and young plants.
I think you could probably put a growing bag in the back there, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could have a couple of tomato plants coming up there.
And you could even take the shelves off, I think, and then possibly put a growing bag to the either side.
You could have it growing up that way. A little bit of support
tomatoes.
with there. That's fine.
Yeah, I think it's a good.
Yeah, so it's a good option if you know, you haven't got a lot of money to spend and you know, you want to grow some stuff outside with a bit of warmth.
You probably need to sort of make sure it's well pinned down.
Yeah, it's not great for an exposed plot,
no,
but
shelter spot.
you know, but as long as you pin it down or attached it to a wall or whatever, it's good. And you get larger options as well, so you can get ones that go deeper if you're prepared to pay a little bit more. So look out for that in February issue.